a secret is floating from the heart of the Antarctic Ocean, completely, and an unexpected health discovery: Krilixir. At the core of Krilixir is pure krill, carefully developed to pass beyond the limits of ordinary food supplements. Krill, one small, a shrimp-like zooplankton, whose extract is a powerful stimulant for the human organism. Each Krilixir capsule is a combination of substances, concentrated omega-3 and phospholipids, which are of critical importance for our cells and choline, from the group of B-complex vitamins. Omega-3 acids lower triglyceride levels, support better cognitive function. Krilixir regenerates joints, promotes detoxification of the liver, supports metabolism, general health, and keeps the skin beautiful. Krilixir products are suitable for anyone who wants to lead a healthy lifestyle. In each of our products, science meets nature, and ethics drives innovation. Our unwavering commitment to the environment is guaranteed through transparency and Superba krill extraction technology. Our packaging is from recycled materials. Krilixir is proof of our spirit of pioneers in the development of revolutionary nutrients.